I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. I haven't started my day yet, but let me show you my office setup. At some point, I will bring in tissues. Well, I'll bring them over now. Because you all know I blow my nose. Y'all know. I haven't gotten started yet because I got to go poopy. But, and so, yeah. So, I have my laptop back there. And this is the monitor that's mine. And I bring home my keyboard, the laptop, my mouse, and my, and my son, and my glasses. I got to have my computer glasses. And then I don't bring home client information. This is just conversation information from Suzanne and I, things I need to put on our agenda for next month's agenda, and then everything else is on my computer. So that is my computer, or my office. It's two of my office mates. I'm going to be hearing that all day. Them two. And this is my other office mate today. But the doctor I work with, he bought one of these little heaters, and he loved it. So he bought me one, and I guess it was a couple of years ago. And anyway, and so I'm going to use that because this is a very cold room. You know, I mean, it's against, I think Mom says this is the north side. Sun comes up in the east and sets in the west. So yeah, this is north. Because the sun goes down over there. So anyway, this is the north side. And I don't know where the wind's coming from, but I don't have like heavy curtains over these windows. So, yeah, so it's chilly in here. So what I might do is close these little pocket doors. I ain't going to do it now because I got to poop and get ready. Or not get ready, but poop and clean up. Anyway, so I could close these pocket doors when I turn that on. I don't know what I'll do. I need to turn these on from the nighttime. I sleep with the fan on. Okay, now. So anyway, yep, that's my office. I'll show you when I eat something because I'm not going to eat something this early. It's 6:20. This morning I'm not hungry, so I'll show you when I do eat. Forgot to weigh yesterday, guys, but on the bright side, I will today because I have a good poop. So, come on now. I need to get this light turned on so we can read it. Ooh, there we go. All right, now let's see what she says, boys. Come on, boys and girls. 180. Well, we are only 1 pound down from where we started after Christmas. And that's all right. Oh, you all can't really read that very well. There. It's 180.0. All right. I know I've been eating a little bit wild, but I'm okay with it. So, I've been eating 2 steaks and a breakfast. So, I've not been eating within a decent calorie range at all. But that's all right. We'll get to it. We'll get back to it. All right. Bye. The downside of working at home, I have to work one-handed. Thankfully, this is she knows I just tattled on her. I have to work one-handed. One hand on her, the other hand on my mouse and keyboard. Good thing I can type one-handed pretty decent. It's 9 o'clock. I'm ready to eat. So I made this is a whole serving. I know my weight's up. It's a whole serving of a keto chow maple waffle. And then this, I'm going to eat it like a burrito. So that's this with 2 eggs in it. And then some milk. I forgot to spray the pan. So I got to rinse the pan or soak the pan because it's burned. But that's how I'm going to eat, y'all. It's going to be like a pig in a blanket. It's, the sausage inside, it's that Aidells, chicken, and apple. So, I ain't got to it yet, hang on. So, maple waffle with chicken and apple sausage. That's all I got time for. I'm working with IT because I can't access something. So I'm like, I sent them an email, did something. Sent an email, wait for their reply, and made this. So anyway, so that's what I'm eating at 9 o'clock. Bye. My current office mate. He's a good boy. He's just laying there. I had to close off the dog door. He was telling somebody off out there. But yeah, this is my current office mate situation. Y'all, I don't know. It's like I got a tapeworm. It's like I got a tapeworm or something. I just can't get enough. I can't get enough. Anyway, so I have this one of those steaks. I don't know how much. I didn't weigh it. I'm gonna try to start weighing and tracking tomorrow. I'm not saying my amounts will be right, but at least it will be getting back in the habit. So I've got steak. I did it like I showed yesterday. I cooked it, covered. This time I cooked because I flattened it out. I cooked it for 3 minutes, flipped it 3 minutes, chopped bite-sized pieces, added in some balsamic vinegar. Oh yeah, and red wine. I'm baking pieces. If I hadn't been celibate the past 100 years, I think maybe I was pregnant, but not even a elephant can hold out this long and still be pregnant. Anyway, all right. I love y'all. That's my lunch. Bye. Just working on my supper. I had a steak and I did the original cooking part. Now I'm cooking up some eggs. I'm gonna put them in my bowl, and then I'll do the other. I've got my steak all cut up into bite-sized pieces, and so I'll do that part next. Anyway, I am so thankful. My sister yesterday, she was at Mom's, and she was like, "Yeah, I went outside and I shoveled the driveway," and I'm like, shovels a driveway, just drive over it, you know? So I'm used to ice, you know, I tell y'all that all the time. I'm more familiar with icy roads. So I was like, where'd my towel go? I was like, okay, well, good for you, yay. You want a cookie? I just said that. I'm so thankful that none of them heard me or paid attention. Anyway, I didn't say it to her, but I was thinking, la-ti-da. So anyway, then later on, I was like, maybe I need to go do the same thing. So I did. And I am so thankful that I did because, y'all, I'm so thankful I did because I'm looking outside at the driveways who didn't. Oh, mercy. You know, and now that the city people have already come and shoveled the streets, did the street and kind of mounded things up. Yeah, I saw a truck come through earlier, and I'm not sure. Hang on, kind of checking things. I'm not sure what he was doing. It was a truck, and he had like a shovel on the front of it, kind of like he had maybe been out doing stuff. But he had it down, and like I said, it was a regular truck, not a city truck. So I was like, wonder what they're doing, because he just drove down, and like I said, his shovel was down, as if he was actually doing something and not just fiddle. You know, I've seen a lot of trucks come through, but they were just fiddle farting out in the snow. You know what I mean? Lots of people like to get out when it snows so they could. I'm over here. Here, I'll let you watch them. Lots of people like to get out when it snows so they can kind of fiddle fart around and see, how it's going to be because they know they got to get out tomorrow. And some people do it because they're nice and they want to look for people who are stranded so they can kind of help haul those cars, So there's a lot of nice people in this world, by George. But I'm cleaning off my cutting board here. It's plastic, but I want to go ahead and throw it in my dishwasher. But I wanted to scrub off the bulk of that blood. Look, I'm moving you around. Hang on, y'all. I'm getting y'all this. Oh, you're going down. You're going down, boys and girls. You're going down. Let's see. I'm not having a creamy for supper. I'm just not in the mood. But I am going to top it off with the last of my Black Mission Fig Balsamic Vinegar. Yeah, buddy. I've enjoyed you. Mwah. You've been a good fella. This is what I got in Branson last, I think, September. But I told y'all, why don't I have a towel? I told you guys that I ordered some on Amazon, so I'm waiting on them to come in. Waiting on those to come in. It's been a good day. Tomorrow we got the email from work. Tomorrow we go back to the building in my town. The other towns we have 5 counties. I say towns, not counties, but we have 5 counties that we work with. And my county had the least amount of issues from the weather. So we go back to work tomorrow, but the other counties, they're going to go back to work. Let's see, today's Monday, Tuesday. So they go back in Tuesday. I go back in Tuesday. They'll come back Wednesday. So they'll be working from home tomorrow. Which I think that's really nice that they let people do that, My poor trash can. This thing, since it's right there. I know you can't see it, but it's right down here, so it's all grease splattered since I've been cooking this weekend. But that worked out nice, y'all. Buy yourself a pork. No. I keep calling it that. Buy yourself a chuck roast if it's within your price limit, and then pull that into steaks. And you have a nice little. I got 3 days so that's 6 meals out of 30. I think it was $30, $33, 30 something. So I got 6 meals out of that. So that's like $5. Yeah, $5 a meal because I got 2 steak dinners 3 times. So yeah, that's 6. I got 6 meals out of it. Now I did supplement with eggs, but that's all right. So come on now, this is moving you over here now. I don't like to add too many seasonings when it's in the skillet. Reason being is that the skillet's already getting gummied up from the what you call that stuff? Hang on, from the balsamic vinegar or red wine, whatever it is I got in there. It's already getting gummed up that way. So I don't want to gum it up even more with my seasonings. So by waiting to do my seasonings until after it's in the bowl, that kind of, in my mind, helps me out. Now, wait a minute. Yeah, buddy. I got 3 bites of fat back here for the DOGs. This is some nutritional yeast. I haven't put that on one of these steaks. I'm going to see how that works. It's almost like nacho cheese. I'm putting on some of my honey truffle sea salt that I got on my trip. Sorry, I got a thing. I can kind of smell the mushroomy kind of thing. And then this is my Caravelle smoked bacon sea salt that just sent me. All right. Now, so that's how I've been making it all weekend. Whenever I have eggs. I think I didn't have eggs earlier. Gotta have a poon. And like I said, no creamy today. It's just, I'm not in the mood. I know I had that pancake this morning the pancake with the what you call that thing? Y'all, it's because I'm doing a bunch of things at once. That pancake with the brat, the chicken and apple brat. That's why I'm like, I don't need any more. I don't need another whole serving of protein shake. So I didn't make any creamies this weekend. That was something I wanted to do, but that didn't get done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start tomorrow. We're going to start tracking. Now I'm just tracking for a baseline, just so I can get used to tracking again. I'm not going to fuss at myself. I'm not going to judge myself. I told y'all this is a very relaxed, low stress, low pressure weight loss time. We ain't gonna fuss and we ain't gonna sputter. We're gonna be nice about it. So, all right, I'll meet you in the living room so we can eat. This 3-day weekend of no human contact, it was so good for my soul. Hang on, Ziggy, turn on craft light.
Got it.
She said, got it. This new voice is a little more peppy, a little more energetic. I don't know if I like her or not, but it's what we got. Okay. Anyway, it's been so good for my soul to just have Terri time and no human interaction. Just Baxter time. So remember when I lied a while ago and I said I didn't want, I kind of lied. I said I didn't want a keto chow thing. Well, that's true, but you know what I do want? I tell you all the time, you ain't got to do what I do. You ain't got to buy protein powder. You know what I got? I have, it's the plain Greek yogurt. I feel like my hair is bouncing back here. It's plain Greek yogurt with a squirt of my flavor enhancer. It's one of the tropical ones. You ain't got to go buy a bunch of stuff. Now I get the great value Greek yogurt because your girl's cheap. I bought the other kind, but I just buy this kind now. Yeah, let's give it a taste. Give it a taste. Steak and egg. I'm telling y'all, don't skip the chuck roast. Look at me, I remembered it. Go Terri, yay. Look at this face. All right, boy. Give him a kiss. He's a good boy. Anyway, if you see a yellow sticker on a chuck roast, you better buy that thing, buddy. You better buy it up. If it's a good looking one. Some of them look like Frankenstein. You don't want those. Well, that's my supper. That's my day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And like I said, I'll show you all as I'll try to start prepping and letting you see how things weigh out. So, bye.